Before you can safely read or write a key, you often need to know whether it exists and what kind of value it holds. Exists, delete, and type give you exactly that. These three commands let you interrogate Redis before acting on data. Exists prevents stale reads, delete cleans up keys, and type stops you from calling the wrong command on the wrong value type. Internally, every Redis key lives in a single hash table called the key space. Exists and type just read metadata from that table. Delete removes entries and frees the underlying memory, returning how many keys were actually deleted. We set two keys, then call exist with three names, including one that was never set. Delete removes both real keys, and the final exist calls each returns 0, confirming the deletions. The most common PR bug is using exists followed by a write, as if it were atomic. It is not. Always reach for set NX or a Lua script when you need a check then set guarantee. Remember, exists, delete, and type are your first line of defense when inspecting the key space. Just never treat exists plus a write as atomic. Redis gives you set NX for that.